If your baby likes to be held constantly and you're not able to breastfeed or anything like that, get yourself a bottle, get that ready, get yourself a Boppy, put that in the bassinet. That's right, put it in the bassinet and prop them up like this. Definitely do not leave them unattended. There is a safety risk potentially, but if you are attentive and all that stuff, this can really come in handy, and you can get work done at your computer or whatever and still have them like really handy, like I'm sitting here in a chair like so. So there you go. Pro tip for dads. And these Dr. Brown bottles are very nice. They've got the anti-colic, anti-bubble, anti-gas, whatever. And good luck out there, guys.